You guys, it's been a while, but I'm here to share with you my Boxycharm Luxe. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, I definitely love me some Boxycharm, and I've done numerous videos on my channel before, but I've kind of gotten in a rut of just like not doing it. If you'd like me to keep doing them every month, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, and I will bring those back. But one of the things that I did a few months ago is upgrade to Boxy Luxe. So Boxycharm, if you're unfamiliar, is $21 a month. You get 5 full-sized items. Such good stuff. My favorite subscription box. I don't ever think I could get rid of it. It's so good, and I love being able to give some of this stuff to other people in full-size stuff. I love it. But they also quarterly do a Boxycharm Luxe, which is more stuff, continues to be full size, great retail value. So I'm going to show you what I got in this month's Boxycharm Luxe. Look how big it is. So excited. And I noticed that they've been giving us a little bit more options to kind of customize these Boxycharm Luxes, which I think is really adding to this box and making it super special and curated to you when it has so many products. So let's take a look. So it's all full of goodies, right? And then it comes with the theme, the items, how to use it, and the price breakdown. So this month's theme is Getaway, which is perfect because I'm leaving for a road trip. Did you hear that behind me? in a few days, and then I'm heading to Hawaii for a very fun, relaxing trip. Did I say Hawaii? Because I'm going to Hawaii. So I'm hoping this stuff gets me in the vacay mood. Okay, so first up in this bag, PYT, which I'm hoping stands for Pretty Young Thing. Okay, don't mind my singing or my dance moves. PYT, this is a mini turbo on the go dryer. This is exciting. It retails for $85. So cute. Many things just get me right here, and this is adorns. So fun purple color, nozzle, and this is gonna send you over the edge. A mini, it's giving me all the feels. I love that it's travel. It has different voltage, so if you're going out of the country, you can select the voltage in which you need for the country on, and has a lower and a higher. No cool shop button, but hey, look how cute this is. I love it, and I actually may pack this for my trip, for my road trip, and definitely for Hawaii, because 2 girls getting ready in 1 hair dryer is sometimes proves to be difficult. So I always bring one, but I'm excited because this is even smaller than the travel one that I currently own. So that is very exciting, and it really does fit the theme perfectly. And $85, hey, you paid $50 for this. $49.99 with tax. It's a little over $50. Just paid for it. So yeah, if you're interested, hit the link down below. Okay, next up, ooh, this is looking pretty good, you guys, is one, can you see this? Dirty. Boxycharm, you did me dirty, literally. No big deal, but it's the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. So this looks really good. I have actually never heard of this product. Let's see. It's a prebiotic multitasking cleanser. Yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plans do the dirty work. $35. So good. I mean, I always love a cleanser, and I'm not super like picky, and I love Dr. Brandt, so this is right up my alley. Okay, next up is this Skinning Hoe Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. So this retails for $35. So it kind of states to encourages the radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH levels, tightening pores, and setting makeup. So again, I love a good spray, anything that's gonna set my makeup. Do you think it's gonna smell like truffles, like mushrooms? Oh, it smells good. It smells very like herbally, spa-like. Let's see what the nozzle, like, okay, this is the test. Ooh, it's a bit aggressive, but just like the further away you go, the better it is, because it's a little aggressive in your face, but still good. And I do, if it's something with a thicker mist, I may just use it as a refresher, or when I'm not really trying to like set my makeup and want it to look good. A lot of times I just put like a BB cream on, and that's a nice refresher throughout the day. So yeah, there's always a place and a time for something. If it's not the most kind of like sprayer, could still get a lot of use out of it. Okay, next is one of my favorite products that I absolutely love, and it's a Livium Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I love this stuff. It is so good. It gives you volume, and I always feel like I need extra volume. And this retails for $29. Livium Proof is amazing. Again, this is one of my favorite products of their entire line, so I'm excited to have another backup of my favorite item. Okay, next up, I have not heard of this. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence with Candula Officinalis Flower Extract. If I said that right. And this retails for $23. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Now I have tried, and this is new because it says the new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer Essence. I've tried the original and it's really good, but this is really interesting. And you know it's going to be a little bit on the thinner side because look at that nozzle, you guys. I'm going to put a little on my hand. Ooh, it's like an essence. It's very thin. Oh, but it feels really good. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, really nice. And it does definitely live. You guys, I cannot talk. First day of summer break, or maybe it's my second, and I've lost all ability to talk. Ooh, and I actually really like this. I don't know how it's gonna work like under makeup, but it feels really good. It feels really smoothing. I like it. Okay, next I'm excited to try this. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, and this is the color Peach Tea. Ooh, I've been really into glosses, especially as we're heading into summer. So here it is. I hope it smells like lemonade. No, it doesn't. But it smells like vanilla frosting from the can. Delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna just kind of put it on my hand. Ooh, it's thick, but it's really pretty. It's shiny. I feel like it will go really well just like over lipstick by itself. I'm excited to have this because again, I'm really into lipsticks for the summer. Look, glosses. Oh, do you see Lola? Lola, say hi, honey. Lolo! If you're new on my channel, this is my log, and she likes to make appearances. She's busy looking herself, so just ignore her. Okay, next up, I do not know what this is. It's heavy. This is the Tracy Good Vibes Mascara. All-in-one Lash Curler 2. Retails for $25. I don't know what this is. There's a curler in this. Okay. This seems like a contraption that you need like a college degree for. Oh, so, well, one, this is like a really small, like whose lashes are gonna fit in there? This is like, don't attempt this at home. I can't even like fit half my eyelashes in this. Worst thing ever. I don't know if you've had luck with this or if you've tried this out. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna use my regular one. It's a good theory. It's a good idea in theory. There you go. Because like how amazing would it to have a curler and a mascara all in one if you're traveling? But this thing, like, no, don't do it. I don't know how that goes. And then how do you get the mascara? Oh yes, like this. So then it, like, the mascara comes out this, and this is kind of the wand. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Interesting. I might give this away. I have a mascara, tried and true, love it, don't want to try anything else out. So I know a lot of people that can get good use out of that, but I'm gonna tell them, don't use that curly thing. That thing is just like, oh hell no. Okay, next up we have the Tarte Pro Glow 3. Do I have this cheek palette? We've gotten one of these. Oh no, $45, volume 3. Oh, I think oh yeah, this is no bueno para me. These shades are too light. So here we go. Too light for me, and that bronzer is okay. Like, that's all right. That's not my jam. Really pretty if you have lighter skin toned. There's another cheek palette that I wanted. The one that has like the florally things on it. I'm not trying to be, you know, like ungrateful. I mean, but I think I've gotten this one or a different one. But anyway, the color is just a little too light, so that's not gonna work for me. But such a great item to actually get, especially if you don't have anything like that. It's a nice like all-in-one palette that you can travel with. Again, goes along with the theme. I think that's great. Okay, next up, which I'm so excited for, is the Pharmacy Honey Moon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey, you guys, and gentle flower acids. I actually really like any kind of AHA. Works really well with my skin. This retails for $58. Again, just this alone covers the price of the box. It's a 40% AHA BHA gentle flower acids blend. You'll get youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Like, who doesn't want any of that, guys? I want it. I want it all. You know what movie that is from? Leave it down below. And how pretty is that? So gorgeous. Love it. Okay, that is it, you guys. I love Boxycharm Luxe. I love Boxycharm regular. Oh my gosh, my foot fell asleep. Ooh, child. Okay, if you are interested, again, hit the link down below. If you got Boxycharm Luxe this month, tell me what you think of it. Do you love it? What was your favorite item? I am loving it and can't wait till the next one. And again, if you want to see my monthly Boxycharms on this channel, again, I just have not done them. I just feel like so many people do them. I'll bring them back, so let me know. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.